Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about the von Richter rearrangement. What is von Richter rearrangement? When aromatic nitro compounds are treated with cyanide ion, then nitro group is displaced and carboxylic groups entered, always ortho to displaced groups. This statement is very important. This reaction is seen substitutions. Best results are obtained when electron withdrawing group is present at ortho and para. Reactions gives a small yield. So you can see the substrate, you can see the product. So NO2 group replace and COOH groups entered at syn positions. Bromine position same, only this is the syn positions and this is nitro group replace and entered COOH groups. So you can look at these mechanisms. You can see here this cyanide attack on this syn positions. Meanwhile, the double bonds shifted to carbon nitrogen double bonds, and this double bond will break and oxygen occupied negative charge. So you can see here double bonds, negative charge, and then this OA minus taking this proton and this single bond will shift here making double bonds, and these double bonds break and making this molecule. Now OS minus approaching this carbon and triple bond will break into double bonds, and then you can see this negative charge actually approaching these protons, and the carbon double bond nitrogen will break, and meanwhile nitrogen oxygen bond break, and this bond will break and forming nitrogen oxygen double bond. Nitrogen oxygen double bond, nitrogen containing negative charge, again this negative charge approaching this in, and this double bond will break and forming the cyclic products. Now this negative charge approaching protons forming OH, and the meanwhile carbon nitrogen carbon will break in here H or OH minus H2O, and then nitrogen double bond will form, then CN bond will break in minus N2 when OH minus attack here. So you can see carbon double bond OH, and this is the positions of nitro groups. Now these protons approaching here and forming COOH, and this is your products. So this is all about von Richter mechanisms or rearrangement. Von Richter rearrangement.